Hi, my name is Beatrice Mwanya, and today is the 16th of February 2020, and I am discussing a few things here for my lab pertaining biochemical testing for microbial identification, carbohydrate fermentation testing, which I've already done. And how I did it is I just followed the instructions, and I had my broth, the phenol red test tubes, that the 6 of them that I've already marked, and then I was supposed to put some carbohydrate in each tube so that I can test the reaction thereof. And in each tube also I had my cultures that I had already prepared. That is the yeast and the Staphylococcus epidermidis. And I followed the instructions, and I inverted in each tube a Durham tube, of which the Durham tube is for testing or to determine the product, whether there is the production of gas in the medium. And so I have some terminologies that I have to define concerning this experiment. Number one, what the purpose of biochemical testing is. This is to identify various metabolic properties of different bacteria species. And carbohydrate fermentation is a test used to determine the byproducts of fermentation, hence differentiating among groups of species of microbe. And as we know, that this one helps us because in an isolated carbohydrate, for example, I had glucose, and I had mannitol, and I had fructose. And so I was checking on how in each one of them the reaction will be. And so after doing all this and using my active cultures, that is the yeast and Staphylococcus epidermidis, I already got my results here. And as you can see, changes have taken place, denoting what reaction happens in each one of the tubes. And to my conclusion, I'm sorry, my rack is not holding these test tubes, they are sliding. But to my conclusion, anyway, I came to realize that Staphylococcus epidermidis does not produce gas or acid, so basically it's a non-fermenter, whereas yeast is a fermenter because it produces acid and gas. And this one I noted because there was, number one, color change. The tubes that had the yeast, it had a color change, and that is a change to orange, to yellow. And then I could notice bubbles trapped in the Durham tubes, meaning that there is a presence of gas. And so that was my experiment and my results for this lab biochemical testing for microbial identification, carbohydrate fermentation test. Thank you.